Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your teacher Shagufta Faisal from Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. So students, our chapter which we are studying nowadays is our country, and last time we were talking about the deserts of Pakistan. So in our country we have 4 provinces, as you know, and now the Gilgit-Baltistan is also added, so we are having 5. But the most pronounced and most famous province is Punjab. There is a question in the book while reading the chapter Our Country, that why do you think that the Punjab is having the highest population rate in Pakistan? What is the reason behind it? Why there is so much population? As we were talking about the deserts of Pakistan, so in deserts of Pakistan, I have also mentioned that there are very less population in each and every deserts wherever the desert exists, because there is no feasibility, there is no availability of food, of water, of shelter, there is extra sunlight, no rain, and of course if there is no rain or a river or no water, then there would be no vegetation. But Alhamdulillah, Punjab is the most fertile place of Pakistan. Why this land is so much blessed? Why this land is so much blessed with the vegetation and each and everything is over there. We are having rivers, we are having streams, we are having mountains, and because of these mountains we are having very good weather and rain. So the question is, where is Punjab? What is the location of Punjab? Why such location is so much blessed? So on the southern belt of Punjab there is a belt of Cholistan which is going towards the India, and on the north side there we are having hills, and most north side we are having the Himalayas foot. So because of this Himalaya we are having a cool season as well, and we because of this Himalaya mountain we are having good rainfall. Monsoon season is very much affecting the Punjab cultivation and the Punjab land. And because of this monsoon, we are cultivating each and every Rabi and Kharif crop over there. Punjab is having 5 rivers. That's why it named Panch-Ab. Panch means 5 and Ab means water. The 5 rivers are crossing this area. The monsoon season, the rain and the good weather making this land so much fertile. This land is splitting gold in the form of vegetation. Okay, if you're having vegetation over there, then it's mean that we are having a very good food industry as well. You know what I am trying to say? If you are having a good vegetation, that means that we are having food industry over there. If you are having, like for example, if you are having sugar cane, then there must be sugar mills over there. If there are sugar mills, then there must be lots of industries related to the sugar industry. If you are having wheat, then there must be a flour mill. If you are having cotton, we are having over there, then there must be cotton industry, hosiery industry, and the related industries over there. Are you getting my point? If we are having fruits over there, then there must be some beverage or a juice industry over there, or a marmalade or a jam kind of a thing. Are you getting my point? So same goes with other industries. We are having lots of food processing industries over there in Punjab. We have built a food preserve industry over there to preserve the food and deliver it all over the world. We are exporting our food items. We have lots of other industries rather than the food industry, like you must have heard the sports goods from Sialkot, and they are very fine products, and we deliver it all over the world. In the FIFA World Cup, you must have heard that all the footballs and all the accessories and sports goods are from Sialkot, Pakistan. So we are promoting our nation, we are promoting our country. We have lots of other industry rather than the agriculture industry. You must have heard the surgical items. World's best surgical items are built over there. The tertiary industry products, the household industry products are working over there in Punjab. Just because of good and fertile land, Punjab is blessed with lots and lots of industries and good corporations over there. Punjab is also making bicycles, high standard bicycles, and you must have heard about the Vahkand arms and ammunition industries. This is the very first industry of Pakistan which was making arms and ammunition for our Pak Army. And high explosives are being made in Vahkand. We have a printing mills, we have a flour mills, and if we are cultivating flour, that doesn't mean that we are only having flour. There are lots of other industries which are related to the flour industry, like the biscuits and pasta, spaghetti, and porridge. So we have categorized the different food particles just because of the main food crop, which is wheat. And the extract of wheat, which is called you may call it garbage, but it is also used to feed our poultry and the domestic animals. The domestic animals like cow and buffalo and sheep, these are also the part of our industries. In Punjab, there is a good environment to harvest, to have such kind of buffaloes or a cow, or we are selling the meat and the flesh and the dairy products all over the world. The leather industries also exist in Punjab, and we are exporting fine leather all over the world. We are exporting fine leather all over the world. Chemical products and light engineering goods are also made over there. So Punjab is blessed with lots and lots and lots of industries and vegetation. You must have heard about the textile industries of Faisalabad. Faisalabad is famous for its textile all over the world, and we are exporting the best quality hosiery, towels, lawn and cotton. The Faisalabad was initially called the Manchester of Asia. You must have heard about the Manchester. It's a beautiful and very much famous country of Europe, famous city of the Europe. But at that time we were naming our Faisalabad, which was initially Lalpur, but people used to call it Manchester of Asia just because of lots of industries. So Pakistan is having the best area, the best locations to promote any industry, to promote any culture and to promote any civilization. I was talking about what are the reasons behind the population of Punjab, why there is so much population over there in Punjab, why there is so much population in Punjab province. All these circumstances, the environment, the climate, the location, the tradition, the culture, the most popular culture, the industries, food industries, ammunition industries, surgical industry, leather industry, hosiery industry, textile mills, and what I was talking about, the leather industry and surgical items. All of them are most famous industries, at least in Pakistan, and they are exporting their best goods all over the world and promoting the name of Pakistan, and they are promoting the name of their Punjab. This is the reason behind that mostly people want to live over there in Punjab, because of good weather, because of good vegetation, and because they are having good opportunities to earn over there for their children. The Punjab is the best place in Pakistan to earn, to live, and to have a complete diet and complete meal, or having a good environment. I hope now you're getting my point. So I will show you a few slides regarding the Punjab and the beauty of Punjab and the industries in the Punjab. At the end of the slide, there is a question, homework regarding the lecture. You must have to see the slides, and you have to work regarding the homework on your register.